technology is fantastic. It helps us with talking to visitors about all the wonderful trails in our trail system here in Park City. So over here, if I click on what is Mountain Kind, it will get into a little bit about what Mountain Kind is and give visitors the opportunity to take the Mountain Kind pledge. This is our trail system. You can look at trail information from beginner to expert, but we also have the opportunity to look at the conditions. The next piece of technology that I like to highlight is our video wall. So with the new brand, we really wanted to take the opportunity to highlight all of the recreational activities there are to do in Park City year-round. We are a year-round destination, and there are tons of arts, recreation, and cultural activities to do in Park City. Kiosk is super similar to the horizontal kiosk. You've got brand information about how to get around, and this kiosk helped us to catalyze our mobile app, which Omni developed and built for us. We've got more information about where to stay, local business directory, points of interest, and again, additional brand information about our Mountain Kind brand here in Park City. This is our portrait screen. We have two of them. They are not touch screens, they are just portrait screens. And we also have our information about all of the events happening in Park City. So these cycle through all of the upcoming events for the next couple of days. And while you're here in this space, if you see something that you're interested in and want more information on, you can just go to our website to get more information on whatever event you're interested in. We use them for advertising and for sizzles, as well as our events banner on the bottom.